High Court reserves judgment in Alpha Media Holdings C. Mhlanga Bail Appeal. High Court Judge Gibson Mhlanga has indefinitely reserved his ruling on Alpha Media Holding journalist Blessed Mhlanga's bail appeal. Sanapina mashuka tikaona kuti aiwa mukomana Blessed Mhlanga anga kakambopostponiwa kunzi aiwa achazodzoka zvakare kukoti aiwa in some about 2 weeks. Taona kuti aiwa vakomana kuchizodzosa 2 weeks dziya vakuita chimbi would not know why they are now rushing to release him. Sanapina mashoko kudanyira panapa kuti wa subscribe or like on the bell kuti ndirambe tinaona kudanyira chiti. Mhlanga, arrested 3 weeks ago, is accused of sharing videos with inciting messages recorded at a press conference by Blessed Geza, a ZANU-PF Central Committee member and a veteran who has been calling for President Emmerson Mnangagwa's resignation. Magistrate Farai Kwitima 2 weeks ago denied Mhlanga bail, citing potential witness interference. On Monday, Mhlanga's lawyer Chris Mike contended that the lower court read because Mhlanga was not present at the press conference and he does not own the content, which is said belongs to HSTV. This case is based on a lie. It would be unfair to conclude that because the videos were concluded, it was the appellant who transmitted the videos. In quotes, there is no evidence linking Mhlanga to the transmission, he said, adding that his client is being punished for actions he did not commit. The onus to prove a strong case is on the state, Mike said, stressing that the videos do not show Mhlanga at the press conference. The lawyer also said Mhlanga did not initially challenge remand due to concerns over prolonged detention. In quotes, placement on a remand is not a conviction. This offense is not scheduled as a serious offense, Mike argued, highlighting that many others are on bail. Funkai Nyawundri, representing the state, maintained that Mhlanga transmitted the messages but clarified that they did not claim he generated them. The presiding judge has indicated that he will require time to review the arguments made. Once I am ready, I will put a notice on IECMS, he said. Mandaza said he will go through the submissions and make his ruling in a few coming days. Tomashuka Tokonot Iowa, Panepakwita and a green light would I will come and release anytime before Iowa this month. The shows them from any more clip on the comment section, so subscribe or like, so on the bell icon.